Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys in my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys oppo mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys oppo mobile guys app notification setting. And today video title is guys how to turn off app notification in oppo mobile. Friends, you don't want to use app notification setting, you want to turn off app notification. So then how to turn off one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, now let's see how to use app notification setting. Open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your oppo mobile. So friends, in your oppo mobile, open your phone notification and status bar setting, and friends click here manage notification setting. And friends, you want to off and you want to on lock screen notification, you can on and you can off from here. So friends, you can see this type interface. Friends, select your app, which app notification you don't want to use. Example guys, you don't want to use Google app notification in your oppo mobile. So friends, right click here, Google app notification will off. After turn off friends, you cannot use Google app notification in oppo mobile. And like that friends, you can off Gmail notification, Play Store notification. Right click here, notification will off and you want to use. So friends, right click here again, notification will on. Friends, you can check I have two notification, camera notification and Paytm notification. So friends, when I will off camera notification from here, or camera notification guys, we cannot off. Camera notification is already on, we cannot off. So friends, I have Paytm notification. So friends, when I will off my Paytm notification, so friends, Paytm notification will remove automatic in my mobile. Paytm notification friends, I will turn off Paytm notification. Paytm notification will remove automatic. And you want to use, right click here, you can on Paytm app notification. So like that way you can use app notification setting, you can turn off any app notification in your oppo mobile. And friends, long press on your app, click here app info setting, you can off app notification with shortcut setting also. Right click here, app notification will off. You want to use allow your notification, you can use your Snapchat notification. Bye friends.